highly requested step-by-step Benechin recipe.
In this pot right here, I'm gonna add 2 cups of oil and just let that heat up. Meat right here, this is the lamb. Right here I have what we're gonna blend. I have 1 fresh habanero pepper, about half of a bell pepper, a medium bell pepper, a quarter of green onions. This is parsley. It's just 1 bunch of parsley. I just picked the leaves off. This is 2 bunches of green onion, and this is a bulb of garlic and a little bit more. So it's a lot of them. You want a lot of garlic. I'm gonna go in and add the meat and some salt. On the garlic, parsley, some of the green onion. Usually I cut the tomato into tiny cubes, or I just smash it with my hands, but I'm just gonna blend it up. A broken jasmine rice, you can get it from your local Asian store. I'm gonna wash the rice, wash it until the water runs clear, and then soak it. Just like this is still here. And this is the blended tomato. And can of tomato paste is for buy the 12-ounce can of tomato paste, and that's for 10 cups of rice. The meat is brown. Go in with the half of an onion, quarter chopped up small, 1 whole habanero pepper, and like a quarter bell pepper, or a little less than a quarter. Mix that all up. Now that the onions are kind of brown, and the tomato paste. When you're looking for tomatoes, you want to find the ripest tomato, okay? Not ones that are firm. I couldn't find any really ripe tomatoes, so this is what I got.
The closer to rotten they are, the better.
Yeah. While you're mixing, you want to keep adding a little bit of water, because at the bottom it's going to be burning. It's going to be black at the bottom, so you want to keep adding water so that it doesn't. See? Look at this. It's black down there. Continuously mix it. I'm going to add some of the knockoffs that we made earlier. So you want to fry it until it looks like this. It's super, super dark, okay? Dark. Like the deepest burgundy. I'm going to add 10 cups of water. At this point, add half of your knuckles in there. At this point, you want to add the rest of your knuckles, and this is when the meat is tender. Now, I'm going to go in with the rice. So you want to cover it with foil and a top and leave it for 30 minutes, and then come and mix it, and then cover it again, and then leave it for another 30 minutes, and leave it on low. So it's been 30 minutes, and now I'm just gonna turn the rice. I don't think you have any pictures about that. He loves pictures and stuff.